be successful with kitting in the promotional products market. And it all starts with what products you're putting into that kit for the niche that you're targeting. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 really top products from Sanmar that are great for kitting opportunities for your customers. Let's go ahead and dive in. When it comes to what wearables to consider for kitting, t-shirts are always a great option, but we want to go with shirts that are more than just your standard, something with a bit of a higher perceived value. This shirt is a Sport Tech brand, and it is the ST710. It is a very nice shirt because it's a little bit heavier than your standard. It's a 1.5 ounce, which makes it very nice to wear as a t-shirt, but also can be worn as a light layer. And it, like I said, it is a poly spandex, so it has a very soft feel to it. So this is a really great option for kitting so that you can show your customers different products that you can heat apply that will bring more profit opportunity for your business. We're going to be branding this with Ultracolor Max, our direct-to-film heat transfer. This transfer has a nice low temp application, which makes it perfect for blends of t-shirts just like this one. It also is a hot peel, so as soon as my heat press beeps for me, I can go ahead and remove that carrier. And whenever we're printing t-shirts, another great opportunity to take advantage of is to add another location. Something unique that's really going to draw attention to the branded garment. I'm going to flip this around to the back side and do a unique shoulder placement and take advantage of that branding opportunity by just using their logo and putting it right on that back shoulder. The more areas of a garment that you can print, the more you can charge for a single piece. And when you include something as unique as this in a kit for your customer, it really shows them all that you are capable of doing. Another great option to include is something that is going to complement the t-shirt, such as a jacket, some form of outerwear, or anything that can be layered. Right, so this jacket is a full zip, also from Sanmar, and the brand is New Era. And all we're gonna do is drop the branding right on the left chest, but before we do that, let's add a quick preheat. All right, so left chest can be pretty easy. I'm using the 6x10 platen. I'm just finding where my seam meets the collar and dropping it down from there, making sure that my design is center from where that seam and collar meet. Now all I have to do is heat apply. When printing jackets such as this, it's always a good idea to take advantage of all the real estate that it has to offer. So printing other unique locations, such as the sleeve or the pocket, is always a great idea. Another hot item to include in kits is accessories, and bags are some of the most popular that are included. So no matter what niche that you are serving, you can do anything from a duffel bag to a cinch pack or even wristlets, all very easy to heat apply with a heat press. So we're just going to drop our branding right on that front pocket so that it gets most visibility with the bag. The goal with kitting is ultimately to be able to win more business with your clients. So although we used Ultracolor Max across all of these different products, don't weigh out being able to use dimensional products such as flex style, PVC, or even embroidered and leather patches. For more information on the products used in this video, check out the links in the description.